Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic 4.4 V8 in Corris Grey. This car has previously had 2 owners and is next due for a service in March 2022. As it's an approved used vehicle, you have a minimum 12 months approved warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So if we take a look around the car, you've got Xenon headlamps with LED signature for a modern appearance. 21-inch black alloys with red brake calipers. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have plenty of space there for 3 passengers, and isofix brackets on either side, which is practical for families, and a centre armrest ensuring every journey is as comfortable as possible. A 4-zone climate control so the passengers in the back can set their own temperature. You also have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. And as you can see, you have plenty of space there in the boot for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. A spare wheel in case of any accidents. And a parcel shelf to keep your personal items more secure, however that can also be taken out. And you can close the boot using that button or the one on your key. This car also has a black contrasting roof, privacy glass and keyless entry, which again is useful if you have your hands full. Going inside the vehicle, you have Range Rover script tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats and a lovely ebony and ivory leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car. On your right you have memory seats, handy for several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system, along with electric windows and electrically folding wing mirrors, which is helpful if you're in a tight space. Controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter and cruise control, which is handy for motorways and long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. And on the screen in front of you, you can view your driving features, trip, display and setup. Touchscreen with different functions, such as a rear view camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. You also have eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. And ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. So you have comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. In your armrest you have a cooler compartment, ideal if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic 4.4 V8 in Corris Grey. This car's done 84,175 miles. If you are interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.